Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with personal capital, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with personal capital, first, visit the Personal Capital website. Create a free account by providing your email address and creating a password. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to link your financial accounts. Start by connecting your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts. This will allow Personal Capital to analyze your financial data in one place. After linking your accounts, take a moment to explore the dashboard. Here, you'll find an overview of your net worth and how it's distributed across various assets. Next, navigate to the investment section to assess your portfolio. Personal Capital will show you your asset allocation and performance metrics. Review the suggested investment strategies to optimize your portfolio. Then, move to the Retirement Planner tool. Input your retirement goals, current savings, and expected expenses. This tool will help you evaluate if you're on track for retirement. Be sure to check the budgeting feature next. Personal Capital offers tools to set and track your spending categories. Establish a realistic budget to aid in your savings journey. As you gain familiarity, explore the Fee Analyzer tool. It helps identify any hidden fees in your investment accounts. Understanding these fees can significantly impact your long-term savings. Lastly, revisit your dashboard regularly to monitor your progress. Set financial goals and adjust your budget as necessary. Make it a habit to update your accounts frequently to keep your data accurate. With these tools, Personal Capital empowers you to take control of your financial future. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to achieving effective savings and investment management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.